Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Vanessa Farani. I am from Management Study Program, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. Today, I want to tell you about my presentation about my internship report at Perumbulok Dipre, DKI Jakarta and Banten. First of all, background of internship. Food security is a major concern for every country during the COVID-19 pandemic, including Indonesia. When many provinces in Indonesia began to impose PSBB, apart from food security and rice availability, price is also a problem for the millions of Indonesians who have lost their income due to COVID-19. Perumbulok, as one of the institutions engaged in logistics and appointed by the government in an effort to realize food security. The company's business scope includes logistics or warehousing, survey and pest control, supply of plastic bag, transformation business, food commodity trading, and retail business. As a company that continues to carry out public duties from the government, Perumbulok continues to carry out activities to maintain the basic purchase price for grain, stabilitas prices, especially basic prices, distribute non-cash food assistance, and manage food stock in Indonesia. The purpose of internship: first, provide an overview of the real world of work to the practitioner as a provision for the future. Second, train practitioner to develop thinking skill and creativity in the commercial field, especially regarding direct sales. Third, practitioner can find out how the technique of a company in carrying out company activities to get loyalty from customer. And last, practitioner can find out how a company technique is in coordinating directly with customer regarding its sales administration. The benefit of internship: one, increased knowledge and insight in terms of work, especially in marketing in the company. Second, gain experience in the implementation of field work practice in the commercial work. Third, improve skill in terms of direct selling commercial activities. And last, comparing the theory learned with the practice in the field directly. Company profile Perumbulok di DKI Jakarta and Banten. Addressnya in Jalan Perintis Kemerdekaan, Kelapa Gading, North Jakarta. Phone, fax website at www.bulog.co.id. And last, placement in commercial department. Schedule implementation of internship. My time of work is 8 a.m. to 17 p.m. Internship period start on February 8 to April 8, 2021. The internship process. One, preparation stage. The practitioner gets information on internship at Perumbulok di DKI Jakarta and Banten. Then the practitioner takes care of all the necessary and administration needs. Next, implementation stage. Practitioner carry out internship activities at Perumbulok and are placed in the commercial sector, especially it's in direct sales or retail section. Next and last, reporting stage. The practitioner is required to make an internship report as evidence of having implemented the internship. About company. Bulog officially changed in a status to a public company atau Perumbulok has a 26 regional division consisting of Sabang, Merauke, whose task is to assist the center in running the company bills. Vision: to become a superior and trusted food company and support the realization of food sovereignty. Mission: 1. Running a basic food logistic business by prioritizing services to the community. Second, implement superior management practice with the support of professional human resource, leading technology, and integrated system. Third, applying the principle of good corporate governance and continuously making continuous improvement. And fourth, ensuring the availability, affordability, and stability of food commodities. Organizational structure. In this 2-month trade vendor, the practitioner is placed in the commercial division of the retail sales section. The main task of the retail sales section is conduct to the RPK network development activities and offline outlets, preparation of sales target, propose selling price, analysis of needs and submission of operational cost and exploitation cost of retail sales, operational implementation of offline outlet sales and e-marketplaces, network management analysis for retail sales and RPK, fostering the retail sales network and RPK, retail sales administration management, control of capital and selling costs, and last monitoring, evaluation, and reporting of retail sales activities, RPK and e-marketplace. Fourth, marketing mix. Perumbulok product. 1. Community business. Perumbulok is operation and carries out business activities with several activities, including the management of rice, sugar, flour, meat, and other commodities. This is a Perumbulok product are beras kita, beras fortified, beras hati-hati, beras khusus, terigu kita, manis kita, minyak kita, and daging kita. Second, pest and control. The principle of integrated warehouse pest management is the main principle in the treatment of communities in the Perumbulok environment. Next is partnership. In order to establish the availability of sufficient food stock, especially rice for distribution through Indonesia, and participate in effort to empower and develop socio-economic condition community or environment, then Perumbulok opens a partnership program through domestic cross-regional partners on farm and our food house. And last, transport. The creation of PT Jasa Prima Logistik atau JPL as a subsidiary, which then has a branch office in the different regions, contribute to increasing the speed and efficiency of the distribution of national and regional. Second, price in 4P marketing mix Perumbulok. The price set by Perumbulok to sell its product is by adding up the cost of production or capital plus the profit to be obtained. In addition, the company also shares competitor prices as a reference to determine the selling price in order to compete in the market. This is a Perumbulok prices produk beras kita, beras fortified, beras hati, beras khusus, terigu kita, manis kita, minyak goreng kita, and daging. Third, place. Perumbulok DKI Jakarta and Banten is located at Jalan Perintis Kemerdekaan, Kelapa Gading, North Jakarta. Perumbulok DKI Jakarta and Banten have warehousing complexes which are located in the same area as Perumbulok DKI Jakarta and Banten. There are 69 warehouses in the area of Perumbulok DKI Jakarta and Banten. And last, promotion. The business development carried out by Perumbulok is engaged in the food industry, such promotion is very important in order to face very tight competition with other companies engaged in similar fields. So, as to face the competition and to increase the sales volume of Perumbulok, trying to introduce their product to the public by carrying out a promotional activity. First is Rumah Pangan Kita. It's a community-owned step food sales outlet which is fostered by Perumbulok with the aim of fostering an entrepreneurial spirit and empowering the community's economy. Second, Perumbulok conduct direct promotion the other companies or agencies such as catering, hotel, and restaurant. This name is canvassing. And last, social media marketing. Perumbulok carries out its promotion through social media. Social media owned by Perumbulok include Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and website. This is also included in the category of interactive media promotion strategies for customer. My job description and internship in Perumbulok di DKI Jakarta and Banten. First, secretariat. Second, canvassing. And third, entering Bulog retail market data. First, secretariat. The company secretary is an individual or person in charge of the work unit carrying out the function corporate secretary and must be owned by every issuer of company public. In Perumbulok, the secretary is like to a divisional assistant. Each field in Perumbulok has its own assistant division. In the first assignment, the practitioner is given responsibility for correspondence and also the information center for the commercial fields. The main text is create letter numbers, ask for signature of address letter, archive letter, and deliver letters. The following are steps taken by practitioner in assisting the division assistant text. Most of the letter issued in the internal memorandum are delivery order or DO letters. Delivery order condition that must be done before taking the commodity at warehouse. Delivery order is letter issued by the retail sales section as a customer base to pick up the ordered product. The following is as an example of the O letter numbered until it is delivered to a person concerned. In secretariat, as the center for correspondence and information in the commercial field, the practitioner also perform the task of receiving incoming letter from other fields addressed to the head of the commercial field. The following are the steps taken by the practitioner the following is a example of archive image for commercial incoming outgoing letters recorded by the practitioner while receiving a letter from other field or outgoing letter for other field. This is a commercial incoming outgoing letters. Next, second, canvassing. At this internship, the practitioner had the opportunity to participate in canvassing the K24 pharmacy in DKI Jakarta. In this canvassing, Perumbulok conduct promotion and direct offers for fortified price product. Some of the K24 pharmacy visit were Sunter K24 pharmacy, Gunung Sahari K24 pharmacy, Moi K24 pharmacy, next Kramat Jaya K24 pharmacy, and last K24 pharmacy Kelapa Gading, and many more. Third, entering Bulog retail partner data. In order to ensure the availability of food stock for needs through Indonesia, Perumbulok has a partnership program through procurement partners or MKP. Practitioners are given the task of inputting the Perumbulok retail partner data in Microsoft Excel. The Bulog retail partner data input text flow that the practitioner does it is the step by the author in inputting data from Bulog retail partners. And this is an example of entering Bulog retail partner data. Next, problem faced during internship. While carrying out the internship for 2 months, the practitioner experienced problem in some activities. One, the practitioner sees that the facility provides a computer but in damaged or dead condition. Many of office facilities are damaged or cannot be used. Next, practitioner experience unsystematic work from home scheduling, so they don't get a work from home schedule. Work from home scheduling is not systematic. And last, lack of information to do office work. This may be because the relevant division do not yet have a clear system for assigning assignment to students doing internships such as practitioner. How to solve the problem? Although there are obstacles faced by practitioners while carrying out internship at the head office of Perumbulok, practitioners can complete internship well and smoothly. As for the practitioner way overcoming obstacles while carrying out internship at the head office of Perumbulok, namely, first, the practitioner realized that the facility provided by a company are quite adequate, but the practitioner said that one of the facilities provided by the company, namely the computer to carry out the text assigned by the leadership, is damaged and cannot be turned on. So that makes the practitioner do the text assigned by the company manually by hand and often bring along using a personal laptop. Second, the practitioner realized that the work from home schedule is not systematic, so they do not get a work from home schedule. In overcoming this problem, even though the practitioner does not get a work from home schedule, the practitioner does at least social distancing to fellow employees who are in one division and address to the exciting protocol. And last, in overcoming the problem of obstacle in giving the word given, it is not systematic and does not get information to do the text by the leader. The practitioner overcome it by taking the initiative to ask for assignment and find information on exciting information related to how to work assignment, so that no time is spent with just keep quiet. Practitioner do not only wait for assignment, but also ask and offer assistance to other employees. Conclusion: after doing street vendors, the practitioner gets knowledge and insight in the terms of work, especially in the field of marketing in the company. Practitioners know how the marketing activities carry out by Perumbulok DKI Jakarta and Banten. Second, practitioner gain experience in the commercial field of Perumbulok DKI Jakarta and Banten, namely how to work with a team in which the practitioner must be responsible and job in the completing the task given. Third, practitioner improve skills in direct selling activities with the direction of the supervisor by being informed of the direct sales program of Perumbulok DKI Jakarta and Banten. The practitioner can process product distribution until it reaches the customer. And last, the practitioner can compare the theory between the theory obtained in lecturer and internship. The company uses one of the elements of the promotional mix to carry out its marketing activities, namely personal selling or canvassing. Suggestion: for Perumbulok and the commercial field, companies can make standard operating procedure or SOP regarding the internship program, such as clear job description and clear work, field work practice or internship work contract. Second, for Perumbulok and the commercial field, provide varied and structured assessment. Next, for the Faculty of Economy, First, the Faculty of Economics can cooperate with companies or government and private agencies to place their students in the implementation of street vendor in accordance with their contraction so that students do not experience difficulty in finding places for street vendors. Faculty Economy provide a lot of guidance and provide socialization related to street vendors guidelines to every student who will carry out street vendors so that they carry out well, especially during a pandemic like this. Next, make it easier and improve the quality of services for making internship implementation permits. And last, the Faculty of Economy conduct briefing in order to add soft skill and hard skill to start street vendors. And last, for practicing, a practitioner can develop abilities, especially soft skills, so that they can easily adapt to the work environment. A practitioner can practice the knowledge gained during the work practice field or internship. And last, practitioner can be more active in carrying out exciting works, looking for what to do instead or waiting for a job to be given. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.